artists! Are you ready to draw something fun and exciting today? We're going to learn how to draw a playground slider. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black markers and let's get started. First, let's draw the roof of the first house. Draw a triangle shape at the top. Next, let's draw the pillars. Draw 2 straight lines coming down from the roof. Now, let's draw the house. Draw a rectangle under the roof, connecting the pillars. Add a ladder on one side for kids to climb up. Let's add a door with a rounded top edge in the middle of the house.
Wow!
Great job! Now, let's draw the connecting pipe. Draw a curved line going from the first house to the second house. Now, let's draw the second house. Start with the triangle roof, just like we did for the first house. Draw the pillars next, with a rectangle shape for the house. Add a circular window in the middle of the house. Now, let's draw the slider coming out from the window. Draw a long, curved line going down from the window to the ground.
Awesome!
Fantastic! Now, let's add some clouds in the sky. Draw fluffy cloud shapes above the houses. Finally, let's draw some bushes on the ground around the houses. Our drawing is complete.
Cool!
Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Look at our amazing playground slider. It looks fantastic. Look, the teddy is enjoying the slider. Now it's time to bring our drawing to life with some bright colors. Here are our color pens. Let's start coloring our playground slider. Purple color. Indigo color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Pink color. Pink color. Orange color. Brown color. Cream color.
Wow!
And fun. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.